Each year, the world produces approximately 1.9 million metric tons of honey. The US alone consumes about 600 million pounds of honey annually. The big question is, how do beekeepers produce so much honey? And why is it so beloved by people worldwide? Grab a spoon and get ready to explore how honey is made right from the hive to your home. With millions of tons of honey produced annually, the growing demand for honey has fueled the expansion of beekeeping operations around the globe. A bustling beehive can be home to tens of thousands of hardworking bees. Under the right conditions, a healthy colony can produce up to 90 kilograms of golden nectar. Honey is one of the few foods that can be preserved almost indefinitely if kept in dry, airtight conditions. To harvest honey, beekeepers first need to calm the bees. They use a gentle smoke made from dried mugwort or wood to soothe the bees, making the process safer and less stressful. This allows them to work safely and without disturbing the hive. They can use a broom or sweeper like this to sweep the bees out of the hive. With this way, the bees will be safe and their nectar will not be destroyed. The journey of honey continues as the honey-filled hives are transferred into neatly arranged boxes. The boxes are loaded onto trucks and transported to the processing factory for handling and production. After arriving at the honey house factory, the honey extraction process begins with utilizing advanced uncupping machines. These machines efficiently remove the wax caps from the honeycomb, ensuring that the pure honey remains intact. The wax removed during the uncapping process isn't discarded. It's collected and repurposed to make various products. The uncapped honeycombs are now primed for the next step in the honey-making journey: extraction. The honeycombs are placed in a large, spinning drum called a centrifugal extractor. The extractor's spinning motion will then separate the honey from the wax. These machines use centrifugal force to spin the honeycombs, causing the honey to separate from the wax and drip down. The honey that has been flung out of the combs collects at the bottom of the extractor, where it is drained into holding tanks. These vessels, often made of stainless steel, preserve the honey's quality and freshness. The workers carefully collect the emptied honeycombs, ready to be cleaned and reused. To achieve the highest quality, the honey undergoes a testing lab and a meticulous filtration process. This removes any impurities, leaving behind pure, golden honey. Once the honey is purified, it's stored in temperature-controlled containers, This ensures it maintains its quality until it's ready to be bottled. When it's time to bottle, they take the barrels of honey out of the warehouse and pour them into giant tanks. At the beginning of the line, the jars are cleaned and placed on the conveying line. From the holding tanks, the honey travels through a network of pipes to the packaging line. High-tech machines precisely fill each jar with a perfect amount of honey. Not stopping there, these honey jars will need to go through a testing machine with careful observation from quality control workers. This step is grading. Honey jars suspected of not meeting packaging standards will be retained. After the bottling process, the honey is packaged in boxes or crates ready for distribution. The journey of honey continues as the packaged jars are shipped to stores, restaurants, food manufacturers, or directly to customers around the world. Beyond its delicious taste, honey offers a range of health benefits. It's a powerful natural remedy that can aid digestion, soothe sore throats, and improve skin health. So, there you have it, the incredible journey of honey from hive to home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content.